facts about the non-human being that is living inside of you. Half of your genome started out as an infection. If left unchecked, some parts of it can turn deadly all over again. The human genome contains billions of pieces of information and around 22,000 genes, but not all of it is human. 8% of our DNA consists of remnants of ancient viruses, and another 40% is made up of repetitive strings of genetic letters that is also thought to have a viral origin. Those extensive viral regions are much more than evolutionary relics. They may be deeply involved with a wide range of diseases including multiple sclerosis, hemophilia, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, along with certain types of dementia and cancer. For many years, biologists had little understanding of how that connection worked, so little that they came to refer to the viral part of our DNA as dark matter within the genome. They just meant they did not know what it was or what it did. It became evident that the virus-related sections of the genetic code do not participate in the normal construction and regulation of the body. But in that case, how do they contribute to disease? Some stretches of our DNA behave like infectious invaders. These DNA chunks can move around through the genome, copying and pasting themselves wherever they see fit, which is called the jumping genes. This controversial idea earned a Nobel Prize in 1983. Geneticists have since determined that jumping genes originate in the viral portion of the genome. Many of these genes turn out to be benign or even helpful, but some of the things are full-on parasites, like infections embedded within our own DNA. All it takes to set these bad actors loose is a slip-up in the body's mechanisms that normally prevent the genes from jumping around and causing harm.